Welcome to We've Only Just Vegan, your guide in starting a vegan lifestyle. I am Rosanna, your Go Vegan coach. I am an educator for over 12 years, vegan since May 2018, certified life skills and self-discovery coach with diploma in vegan and ketogenic diet. I am excited to assist you through your journey, so let's vegan. This course covers how to start a vegan lifestyle, specifically easy and affordable ways of sustaining this lifestyle. Its main purpose is to shed light on veganism. It also aims to guide the participants to set their goals and how to achieve those goals. It is a 2-week course with lifetime one-on-one coaching through email and video calls. This material has been created with the aim that the participants will build a strong and solid understanding of veganism. Each participant should be able to realize the ultimate reason for going vegan. One of the takeaways of this program is for each participant to have a clear plan in transitioning to a vegan lifestyle and be able to sustain a vegan lifestyle considering factors such as family, peers, current lifestyle, location, and other important factors.